guys, welcome back to my channel Goan Donchi Good. Today we are going to prepare Bharilli Gosari or stuffed ridge gourds. It is called as ridge gourd in English, and these are seasonal vegetables which are available mostly during this time of the year. So over here my mother is scraping the harsh or the spiny edges of the ridge gourd. We have used two gosari or ridge cuts, and you can even cut it into like four pieces, one ridge cut into four pieces, and then slit them vertically so that the stuffing can be filled in. We have used two gosari over here. So once you cut the ridge gourds, you just apply some salt and then keep them aside. Now we are gonna take some fresh grated coconut and add some crushed groundnuts, or you can even just grind them in a for a one round in the mixer. So use crushed groundnuts or grated groundnuts, and then we are gonna add some turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of Goan garam masala. To that we are gonna add some crushed garlic and some fresh green coriander, and just mix the mixture that we are gonna fill this in our ridge gourds. I've added some sugar to the mixture and mix it well. Add some water if needed so that it becomes as easy to fill in the ridge gourds. So that is how we are gonna stuff the ridge gourds or gosari. So this is how you slit it so that it remains intact in the ridge gourds. So Bharilla basically means stuffed in Konkani, and gosari is ridge gourd, of course. So fill in all the stuff, all the ridge gourds. In a kadai, add some oil and add mustard seeds, then add a pinch of hing or asafoetida, then add the stuffed gosaris that or ridge gourds that we had just kept aside. So we're gonna add the ridge gourds one by one. Saute it for like 2-3 minutes. See to that you all cook it well, because ridge gourds are normally they have a very hard outer layer, not that hard but yes quite hard, so that you have to take care that it is cooked well. So saute it for like 2-3 minutes. it's done, you can cover it for like 4 to 5 minutes. After that, you can add the remaining or the leftover stuffing. Add some water. We have to allow it to cook for some time. So you can adjust the salt as per your taste. Cover it and cook it for over like 5 to 6 minutes again, and then it is ready to be served. So this is how it looks once it is done. You can have it with steamed rice or chapati. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. Thank you. Bye.